Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the privacy protection. Then let's tap on special permissions, and here we have to find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. We've got a lot of them here. And basically all you have to do in order to allow the particular app to install something is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. As you can see here, we've got the warning because basically you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of that and tap on OK. As you can see, it is active, and after getting back, you can see that in my case, calendar has been allowed to install some content. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the calendar is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.